Right, so on Besiege they have now made it so you can change the raw object files as well as the texture files or the skins. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can edit these files and make them look your own personalized creation in the game. Now if you don't know where this folder is, check out my other video and I'll put a link now so you can watch it and see where you have to go. Right, anyway, so for this what I'm going to be using is 3ds Max, so I'm going to open this or drag this into 3ds Max here. I already have it open. I'm going to put it at location 00, which you can check by here, 00000. Just for clarification, when I can find it, the unit setup that I'm using is centimeters, just in this international, just in case you are wondering. So anyway, this is the game object. You can see here it's the saw from Besiege, so we're just going to quickly edit it. I'm not going to do anything too fancy, it's just literally going to be a quick sort of muck around, nothing major. So we're just going to extend some of these a tad, just to make them look a bit more gruesome. I'm then just going to bevel some of these in, just so we can call it our own. I'm going to I'm going to extrude it minus 0.1, so you can see there. And these ones here I will I can't see what I'm doing here. These ones here I'm just going to do it the other way. Now there's a limit, I believe. I can't remember what it is off the top of my head, but I could quickly go and find it because they put some sort of tutorial up on the log here. Continue to external site. Bear with me. I put it down here. So they use Blender, I'm using Max. Basically they have said that the triangles need to be between 250 and 1000, so we try and keep in between that. They say it's okay to go over, but it just may lag, which is not the end of the world. Right, then the last thing to do on this, so we've edited this, is to select it and rotate it 90 degrees. Oh, I haven't put that on right, so 90 degrees, wrong way, 90 degrees up. It may be different for everyone, you have to go and try and trial and error sort of thing, but it's quite easy. So now we need to file, export, save it as an object, export object, and saw. So I save that, there it is, yes. With the scale needs to be 1, make sure your settings are sort of the same, and the preset I've selected is Blender because they use Blender. So I'm going to export that. It says here that the triangles are only 262, so it's well within their range. So I've only done one object, so that's done. So I have two folders because it was easier for me to work it out. So this is the game folder, and this is the where we've just saved the edited file. So I'm going to drag that in over here. We're going to replace the destination file. That's been replaced. This is the texture I've done in the previous tutorial. So now we're going to load up Steam, wherever it may be. Library Games Besiege. So it's loading skin packs again. If I've got this right and rotated around the right way, which I think I have, we now need to go to Weaponry, Circular Saw, Skins, and you can see our skin here with the elongated tongs. We load it up, and I edited the texture earlier and it's sort of bugging it up, but you can see what I've done. I've made it all different and everything. And if we quickly just chuck this to the deck, you can see that it does go. It doesn't really hit the bounding boxes very well, but it is still there and it is edited for the game use. So that's how you can edit the raw object files for a game called Besiege. and it should all work. And you can make anything you want. So Besiege is not only create what you want with air objects no more, it's create anything you want and anything you want to make. So there you go, you can see there it's spinning around. I'll just put the default one in there, or you can get rid of the skins. Oh, I'm not on the right one. So there we go. So that's the original, there's my one. Slightly different. I mean, world's your oyster, eh? Anyway, if this has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. I will try and make some more tutorials on this. This is just a quick in-depth one. Quick one, not so in-depth, on how to model and, well, how to edit the game object files. Thanks for watching. Till next time.